Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting from the home screen with VoiceOver active. That means gestures speak. First, use the Siri remote. Press home to open the home screen, then swipe or use directional taps to highlight settings. Once done, press the touch surface to enter. You do this because VoiceOver changes how selection works. A single tap reads, a double tap activates. Make sure you can hear item labels so you know when settings is selected before moving to accessibility. Now that you're in accessibility, find VoiceOver in the list. VoiceOver will announce items as you move. Slowly swipe or press the remote's directional buttons until you hear VoiceOver read VoiceOver. Once it's focused, double tap the touch surface to open VoiceOver settings. You want to reach the VoiceOver toggle. This is where you can turn the feature off. Take your time, because VoiceOver requires a double tap to activate controls. Rushing leads to selecting the wrong item. With the VoiceOver settings open, focus the on/off toggle and double tap to switch it off. You'll notice speech stops immediately. After that, press home to return and navigate the home screen to confirm normal single tap selection behavior. If VoiceOver doesn't disable, restart your Apple TV by unplugging power for 10 seconds or use Settings System Restart. That often resolves stuck toggles. If problems persist, check for tvOS updates, because software fixes frequently address accessibility bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.